well the first time through, but my microphone was not recording, and so it sounded like nothing. It was just a mouth moving. So talking heads are not my thing. So I'm back again to record this again, and hoping that it works this time. I don't have a lot of time these days for editing, so and I need to get back out to the kitchen and make something to eat and do all that kind of stuff. So I'm just popping in really quickly to put out my wish list for the Canadian Seed Challenge. So the Canadian Seed Challenge 2022 is Canadian gardeners from all zones, all over the country, exchanging seeds. And this year it's going to be a little bit different than it was last year. Hickory Croft Farm is still in charge of it, and I'll leave their link down there. And you can just search for the hashtag Canadian Seed Challenge 2022, and it'll pop up with all the videos. If you're interested, you should really take a look and get involved. And anyway, my wish list. I would like to have some fast-growing melon, any kind of fast-growing melon, but particularly Kajari melon, because I've never tasted it and I would love to taste it. Also, pumpkins that are quick growing. I would like to have pumpkins that are quick growing. And then I'd like to grow more of my own herbs and teas and stuff like that. So I'd like comfrey and mullein, I don't know how you say that word, echinacea, lavender, chamomile, any kind of a medicinal herb that you know about that is available to be grown in Canada, and I would like to grow it. Now I have most of the major herbs already, the standard ones, but yeah, I don't have any of those ones I mentioned. I'm trying to grow some lavender, and it's not coming up. But anyway, variety is always good. And then always tomatoes and peppers. Always want tomatoes and peppers. So there you go. There is my wish list, and I hope that somebody has some of those things. And I look forward to the 2022 gardening season. And I look forward to meeting or re-meeting or re-catching up with all of you Canadian gardeners, and hope that there's new ones who are going to join us. So anyway, that's enough of that for today. Thanks so much for popping in. Take great care of yourself. I will see you soon.